Tile repair, repairing your tile's edge with easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. Alright, now I've started repairing this. Alright, now I will show you what I'm doing. This is a real simple fix right here, okay? So stay tuned. Okay, now, all right. Okay, now, okay, it's blending in. Alright, from the bird's eye view. Alright, it's blending in pretty good with everything else. Alright, and that's what I'm looking for. I've got a little bit more to do. Alright, now I will tell you what I've done. Alright, needs a little bit more touch up. I've used, if you haven't already figured it out, I've used fingernail polish, alright, on this. In this lighting, this looks almost white. It has too much blue in it. This over here is better. The color is a whole lot closer. So I'm just going to have to eliminate that and just go with this. And this gray works really well, and it's fingernail polish. You can use this for many different applications. I've got another video showing it where I use it on the tile's edge on the radius bathroom shelf. So remember, I'm going to show you one more repair. Alright, I'm going to just be using this lighter gray. The other one has too much blue right here. Alright, and you just want to lightly touch up in here. See, that'll blend it right in. It'll disappear. Okay, now you just kind of wipe the back edge, kind of flatten it out a bit. That's all we're doing, is just kind of flattening it out. You could use a Q-tip. At the moment, I'm just using my finger. And you can see how that's just blended right in. Okay. And so remember, easy 2 tips and tricks where you can see everything up close and personal. There it is. All right. So while we're at it, if you want to watch, I will continue to work on this right here. Okay. Now this fingernail polish, it blew me away. The price of one of these bottles, they wanted like $7. It was on sale for like $2.50. I couldn't believe $7. Are you serious? They were serious. But anyways, they had it discounted. Must not have been selling. So remember, you want to flatten out the back edge if you get a buildup. Okay. I'm going to use that white back of this edge here a little bit in my favor. Okay. You want to wipe off anything that's out past it so it all blends. Okay. Once I get the grout in here, that will just right up here. It will disappear. This right up here. Okay, like I said, I could be using a Q-tip. I could be using a little paintbrush for drawing. But this is pretty good. This is right here by the toilet, so it's, you know, not something you're going to be seeing really anyway. But this is what I said you wanted to avoid. I have to be careful. Those leveling system, I didn't really care for the system, the little narrow yellow shims I got from the big box store, and those worked better. They broke off below the surface, and I had no issues with those. I tried these other ones, the red ones. They were wider, thicker. They didn't break off as neatly, and it's caused me a real time-consuming cleanup process. I was also mixing some of this in this lid, but like I said, this other fingernail polish remover was too dark, too blue. So hold on 1 minute, please. Bear with me. Okay, this here has, as I fill this little dip up, it's got a chipped out little dip. As I fill in the dip and leveling it out, it blends in even better. Okay. As you can see. So let's look at the overview. Okay, that's just the tile and its design. And as we bring it over here, alright, I got a little bit more work to do with that, but that is coming along, and I think you got the overall idea. You want to build it up. Alright. Okay, there you go. Alright. That blends. Okay. There is finished product. I had to build it up. I had to keep putting one little drop in at a time, and then kind of feather out the edges on the back side. Alright, so you want it level. You just want to taper out the edges on the back side of it, alright? I just use my finger to just kind of pull it back right on this outer edge. Okay. Got a little bit more touch-ups to do over here. So there you have it. Easy to remember. Easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. Bye for now. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll do my best to answer any questions you may have. Bye for now. Easy 2 tips and tricks, etc.